Hi there, welcome back. My name is Mark and today we're gonna continue working on the Ferrari. Last video was quite a drama. I had some very bad nights after that, but for every problem is a solution, and today we're gonna continue work on the Ferrari. Now the first thing we are going to do, The first thing we're going to do, I'm gonna show you the result because I didn't film it, but I finished getting the grills back in and they look okay. No more damage done except for the fact that while putting this one in, a bolt snapped and I had to drill a new hole, tap a new screw thingy, how you call that. All the dramas that could happen has happened, but she fits like a glove, a tight glove, that's true. And also we did it with this one, the glass is in, and all I need now is a little rubber because I don't want this during the drive and I'm afraid that that's going to cause more damage to the paint. By the way, contacted the painter, they can fix it for me. So at the end I will have a big list for them. Oh my god, I'm such a noob. So what we're gonna do today, keep the tempo up, we're gonna put the headliner in. And that's, again, not an easy task because I'll put this one away. This one, wait. This one is bolted at the fire. How do you call that? The rear fire heat. No, well, never mind. And the bolts are in here, so I have to. Oh, yeah. Oh man, I have to remove this piece, and then I can get bolted on. Okay, you get the drill. It's going to be another exercise. This car freaks me out, man. I just can't seem to get the screws in. Also, I lost 4 screws. I don't know where they are. I don't know why, but they're not in the box. So, but they will come. I will put 2 screws on each side. You have 4 on each plate. This is the plate that holds the roof on its position when it's up. I can't get it in, it's so annoying. And I want to be so careful because I don't want any more damage than I already had. But breathe in, breathe out. So you guys, whatever happens, if you got your own car, if you got your project, one day I know you will have. First, you're gonna be worried because you're tearing it apart. And then you're gonna get worried because you have to put it back together. And then everything goes exactly what you don't want to. Now I have to do it. Cut. Do it again. And then everything goes just the way you have not planned it. Still not a good word, but never mind. Struggling. Having fun while struggling. Lucky for me, my friend Mark is coming over very soon to help me because I really need some extra hands here. But man, it's annoying. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a coffee break and then we're gonna continue. Trial, error. And in the end, you'll see that it will fit. Well guys, we got one in. Here it is. Can you see it? Like 2 bolts in. And what I did, I used a long bolt to connect the 2 pieces because there's a plate in there that moves. So there's a plate in there that moves and you have to line them perfectly up. So I used this bolt to get the piece aligned and then I could screw 2 of them in. As I said, I'm missing 4 and I know now why. When I left the car or sent it over to the paint shop, I have put 2 bolts on each side in just to have the plate on the right position. And I think they removed the 4 bolts, and they are probably gone. I'm gonna ask, but the chances are, yeah, okay. Well, now let's hope we can find those on the internet, and then we have to order them. But it's all on the list over there. Can you see it? Yes, no, you can't read it. But I'm making a list as we go with all the problems I think I come across, and I think, oh well, we have to do something about it. So nothing is easy when restoring a Ferrari, but probably all Italian crap will be like this. Well, side panels are in. We have to what is, how do you call this one? Needed to be placed. Learn your English, man, otherwise nobody is gonna see your film. And all is left now is mount this one, and here we have the centerpiece that fits here and is also tied on the engine bay side. This is going to be a difficult one because you're never going to let this one out without the engine, with the engine in the car. And that's a kind of a problem because my plan is in the future to do an interior restoration. But first we have to save some money and first we want to drive this baby. Okay, new challenges, but they are for then. And all we have to do now is get these rubbers online. Here they are done, and also. So almost finished. Like always, it's not that easy. Well, it looks like an easy job, but when you start, you see that you waste a lot of hours on these projects. Also, by the way, when the seat belts are on, we're gonna put these caps back on, and then that part is finished, and we can go to the front. As you can see, we put the plate back in, tighten it up, and I also placed back the tie ribs that hold the fuel line. Now probably that one is going to be replaced, but I'm gonna return it just the way I got the car after the engine got out. So I don't even know if the tie ribs are original or that the dealership did that when they took the engine out. Nevertheless, that's why. Uh, well, that's about it. I'm happy. Yes, finally a job that wasn't easy, but no damage to the car. I forgot some parts, but no damage. That's a good thing. That's always a good thing. So pretty happy with the result this week. Okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to search the internet for some bolts, and I think I have to go to work because I'm, how you call it, skipping work at this moment. Because actually it looks like it's dark, but it, whoa! Luckily I don't have a boss, so that's a good thing. So yeah, that's it for this week. Make sure to watch the other videos. Pretty awesome project for me, especially no experience, never done this before, and I really like taking you guys on this journey, and I hope together we can drive the Dutch roads soon, and maybe, well, have a world tour with this baby or something, and that would be genius. Flying all across. No, okay. Cheers.